Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Honeygain. First, download the Honeygain application from their official website. Once downloaded, install it on your preferred device. After installation, you'll need to create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. This initial step is crucial for getting started with earning passive income. After installing, it's time to set up your account. You'll sign up using your email address and create a strong password. Remember to verify your email to fully activate your account. Once verified, you can log into the Honeygain application. This ensures your earnings are properly tracked and secured. With your account ready, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Simply open the Honeygain app, and it will automatically begin sharing your unused internet bandwidth. You can easily monitor your earnings and see your progress directly within the application. It's a straightforward way to start earning passively. To receive your earnings, you'll need to reach the minimum payout threshold, which is typically $20. Once you hit this amount, you can choose your preferred payout method, such as PayPal. For faster earnings, a great tip is to connect multiple devices to your account. This maximizes your passive income potential.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.